How is everyone doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. And as you know, this channel is helping people to make money online. And if you are new to my channel, please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get new videos that help people making money online, like the one that we are about to do now. So we are bringing a new way of making money online. Do you know some people are making up to $750 per month online? And it is from this new platform called, it's a platform that has been around, but some people do not know about it, and a lot of people have made thousands of dollars from it. So it is ATM. The platform is ATM. So how do you make money from ATM? By becoming a cashier. Yes, by becoming a cashier. So now, what is a cashier? A cashier is, in the ATM platform, according to them, is a cashier are in the ATM are those users who make money by completing transaction for other users. Users who want to buy or sell their USDC can do so through our cashier network by making or withdraw or adding requests within a time. ATM rather. This request will be visible to our network and cash of the cashier who accept it to complete the transaction to earn the commission. In a very short sentence, you have to become a cashier in this platform, and you can work anytime you like. You can work anytime you like at the comfort of your home, and you'll be making up to $750 or $1,000 or more, depending on how many transactions you are able to complete. Now look at how much some cashier are making. They say, how much money can I make being a cashier? So you say the top 1,000 cashier, ATM cashier, make an average of $750 per month. $750, guys, per month. So however, you can decide how much you want to make depending on the number of transactions you complete and the time you invest. Some people like working weekends, some people make it as a full-time job, and they are making thousands of dollars a month in this platform, guys. So now the question is, how do you complete transaction? How do you even sign up? To sign up in this platform is very simple. All you need to do is to log on to atm.com. When you log on to atm.com, you will now sign up. When you sign up, you are able to verify your account using your national ID card or your international ID card or your driver's license or whatever that you have, valid ID card that you have. So that is how to become a cashier. So once you are able to log in, this will be your user interface. This is where you will be. So when you are here, after logging in and you verify your account by going to setting, and then you will do 2FA, that is two-way factors. You will use your Google two-way factors to do your 2FA so that your accounts can be secure and your money can be secure. So all you need to do, then after then you add funds to your wallet. Then you come to this place here. This is where we are. You come here to this box. If you're using phone, you come here and tap on these three dot lines, and you will see where they are writing, I am a cashier. And ATM have different, over 500 payment methods that you can make depending on the one that is applicable to your locality. And you can do international transaction also. So you can work as cashier, you can cash for, withdraw, or pay those who are abroad. So it depends on how many payment methods you can able to do and how many transactions you are able to complete. That is how you can make money. So all you need to do after securing your accounts and doing your 2FA, you come to where they say I am a cashier. So when you tap on I am a cashier, this is how to complete transaction and make money. So you go to I am a cashier. So you will see under I'm a cashier, you have available. These are the people available right now. I have one request available. This person wants me to, is a Nigerian, look at it here. He wants me to help him get payment for eBay rather. So it's very simple. All you need to do is come here and accept his payment and do the transaction. Once you complete the transaction, the money will be sent to him and the ATM pay you instantly. Immediately you complete that transaction, they are going to pay you instantly. There is no waste of time. So, and you have different payment method. You can accept payments locally, you can accept payments internationally. Look at, you can accept payment, you can send money, you can pay, you can request for payment. For instance, you go to local payment, you will see, like if you're a Nigerian, you will see some payment. Look at this, you can pay using USDT, you can pay using a cryptocurrency, you can pay with your fiat, you can pay make direct payment to the bank, you can cash for everybody. Look at available payment, you can pay someone using your OP. All of these are the available payment option. This is just part of it. Just this one is just local for Nigerians. Then for international payment, you have a whole up to 500 mode of payment. So all you need to do is just become a cashier. As you fill the form and you sign up and you agree to become a cashier, then you start making the transaction. Look at it, they have another payment now. Look at it, another payment has come up. This one is OP. So I have to complete this transaction now. So once I complete this transaction on OP for this person, they are going to pay me instantly. So I have two payments now. So all you need to do, you tap on accept payment. So you do the transaction and ATM will pay you. And I depend how many transactions you do for a day, that is how much you can earn. And at the end of the month, you can earn up to $700, $750, $1,000, depending on, even more. So, but the problem is some people do not really know how to make the transaction. And in the ATM platform, we are not allowed to video transaction because it involves people bank detail and security, especially those international transactions. So we cannot do it here. If you check on YouTube, you will not have any transaction ATM cashier doing the process of transaction in a video to show you. They will only show you how to become a cashier or how to sign up and the rest, and how to do your 2FA factor. Those are the videos that you can have, but you cannot have a video that really show you step by step on how to carry out transaction as a cashier in the ATM platform. So on that note, that is the reason I'm doing this video. I want to help a lot of people, thousands of people, as I've been helping them already, to learn and know how to carry out transaction and actually earn money. So if you want to really know how to, after becoming a cashier, how to actually carry out the transaction successfully in all methods of payment, over 500 payment platform available, banks and the rest, then all you need to do is go to my comment on the section, go to the comment section and say I want to become a cashier. And once you type there I want to become a cashier, you will see a WhatsApp link on the description of this video. Tap on that WhatsApp link and join the group, our WhatsApp chat group. Once you join our WhatsApp chat group, we are going to help you, to guide you step by step on how to become a cashier and actually do a successful transaction, as many transactions, thousands of transactions, so that you can earn money with ATM. It's a platform that is legit. It is registered by the USA, so it's money laundering. So everything is legit about the site. It has been in existence for a long time. It's just that a lot of people do not know, and we have made a lot of thousands of dollars from this platform. Yeah, you too, you can make much money as you want. All you need to do is check the video description, join the WhatsApp group, and DM me that you are ready to become a cashier. I'm going to give you step by step tutorial guide on how to successfully become a cashier and actually do transactions successfully for both local and international customers who are looking for cashier. Who are looking for your service as a cashier in ATM platform. So thank you guys. See you in the next video. If this video is helping you to make money at the end of the day, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. Please just join the WhatsApp group and start earning money immediately.